Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we are going to look at the join string method. So the join method takes all the items in an iterable and joins them into one string. Now a string must be specified as the separator. Okay, so this is how the syntax looks like. We have one required parameter, and this is any iterable object where all the return values are strings. Now we are going to see in the examples what iterable objects you can use. And the method will return a string, which is the concatenation of the strings in the iterable. The separator between elements is string. Okay, so let's look at some examples. In the first example, we are going to use a tuple as an iterable object and use a white space as the separator. Now, when we run the method, the return object will be a string, which is unconcatenated with a um, separated by a white space. Now in the second example, we have a list, and we specify the separator string as comma. And so if we run this method, we can see that the return method basically contains all the elements separated by a comma. Now in this third example, the iterable object is a set. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that in Python, the sets are not an ordered structures. And so if we run this, the order of the elements is random. Now, in this for example, we have an iterable object which is a a dictionary. And if we run this, by default, Python will um, join the key elements from the dictionary. Now, if we want to do the same for the items or for the values of the dictionary, we can do something like this. Now, this is going to give us an error because the items are not strings but are actually integers. So what we have to do is we have to convert this to strings. And now if we run the method, we can see that we have concatenated the values from the dictionary. Now in this last example, we have a string as an iterable object, and if we run the method on it, we're going to see that the separator value has been appended after every single element. Okay, so this is the join method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.